Hey, what's up guys, Gaurav back with the video, and guys, in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing of the HomePod mini, so let's begin. So guys, this is the box for this HomePod mini. As you can see, we have the picture of the HomePod mini from the top, and we also have the volume up and down button, and then we also have a circular animation for various functionalities. And on the bottom it says about the pricing, and the pricing is 9,990, but it is actually slightly expensive in India because in US you can get it for about $99, which is around 7,500 rupees, but in India it costs about 10,000, so slightly on a higher side. And let me just open this box. So here we have this HomePod mini in orange color, and actually Apple has launched quite a few new colors as well. This is the orange one, and then there is also a blue one. There's also a yellow and black and white as well. Here we have this HomePod mini. Let me just take this out, and we also have a orange braided cable, and on this end we have the USB-C. Also guys, this cable is attached, so you can't take it out, but you do have a USB-C over here. So let me just keep this to a side and talk about what comes inside the box. So here we have some paperwork. As you can see, we have the HomePod mini paperwork. We also have a one Apple sticker as well, and we also have a power adapter as well in the box. This is the 20-watt power adapter from Apple, and we also have a USB port on this end. So let me just keep all these things to aside and talk about the HomePod mini itself. So guys, this is the HomePod mini, as you can see, and now let me just talk about the physical overview first. So on the top we have this white circle. This will be different on the darker color HomePod mini, so we will have the black circle as well. So on the top we have the volume minus and plus buttons as well. These are the touch capacitive buttons, and the light will blink between the white circle. It will be different for calls, while activating Siri, or while listening to music. And quality of the mesh is actually pretty nice. It's a very soft mesh, although you won't be touching the HomePod mini because it will stay at a desk or a table, so you won't be touching the HomePod mini that much, so you won't feel the quality of the mesh. But on the bottom we again have this Apple logo. So let me just power this on, and let me show you guys how to set this. So guys, before setting up the HomePod mini, let's just talk about dimensions of it. So talking about the size and weight, the height of the HomePod mini is 84.3 mm or 3.3 inches. Talking about the width of HomePod mini, it's around 97.9 mm or 3.9 inches. Talking about the weight of HomePod mini, it's around 345 grams or 0.76 pounds. So guys, now I'm gonna talk about how you can connect your HomePod mini to your Apple device. Basically, HomePod only works with an Apple device, whether it's an iPhone, iPad, because you can't connect this with your Android phone. Basically, it's a Siri powered smart speaker for Apple devices only. So to connect this with your iPhone, you just need to power on the HomePod mini, and you will see this kind of pop-up on your iPhone, and you just have to click on setup, and it will show you like how you want to rename this one. So it says Gaurav's bedroom, Gaurav's table, basement, bathroom, bedroom, dining room. So you can select any of this one. So let me just select Gaurav's table, and I have to continue. And as you can see, it's saying that it requires the personal request as well, that your next appointment is at 1:35 p.m. So it's basically giving you the examples. So if you want to use it, you can use it. So let me just select don't use personal request for now, and here it says Siri on HomePod, so we have to continue. So guys, I finally set up this HomePod mini, and you can activate it by saying hey Siri. As you can see, the lights are blinking. What's the weather in New Delhi?
It's currently foggy and 13 degrees in New Delhi, India. Expect fog starting tonight and rain in the morning with mixed conditions for the rest of the day. Temperatures will be fairly consistent, averaging about 13 degrees.
So as you can see, you can give the commands by saying hey and then Siri, and it will tell you about the weather. Hey Siri, what's the tallest building in world?
Here's what I found from wikipedia.org. The tallest structure in the world is the Burj Khalifa skyscraper at 829.8 meter 2,722 feet. For more, say, open this on iPhone.
So as you can see, you can give these kinds of command and you can actually play music on HomePod while saying hey Siri and then name of the music. So guys, now if I talk about music playback, so you can play music if you have a Apple Music subscription. I have the Apple Music subscription on my account. So if I just say hey Siri, play Take My Breath.
Now playing Take My Breath by The Weeknd.
Hey Siri, stop. So as you can see, it played this song. Because I have Apple Music subscription, to play songs on HomePod or HomePod mini, you need to have an Apple Music subscription on your account. Also guys, you can use HomePod mini if you have smart lights. For example, if you have Philips, you can actually control your lights, the color of the lights you can change, or you can turn them on or you can turn them off by using the HomePod mini. You just have to say hey Siri, turn on the lights or turn off the lights. As you can see, I just triggered the Siri on the HomePod, but you can do that as well. The only thing you need to make sure is your lights are added to your home application on iOS device, whether it's an iPhone, whether it's an iPad, but you just have to add the smart lights to the home app and it will work. Right now I don't have the smart lights where I'm shooting right now, but definitely these work because I have tested the HomePod as well and they actually really work well if you have added them in your home app. It will not work if you have a Google Home app added in your iOS device. It will only work if you have the lights added to your home application on iOS. Now if I talk about the sound quality on HomePod mini is actually really good. If you have two HomePod mini or three HomePod mini, you can actually connect them and you can make a 2 or 3 setup speaker as well. Let me just play some audio on my phone and give you better idea how's the sound quality.
Take you home with me.
So guys, I think that you have got a better idea how's the sound quality. Of course, it will depend upon how my mic has captured it. But I really like the sound quality of this HomePod mini. It's very loud. If you place this in HomePod mini in a room, then there will be no problem of the sound quality because the sound quality is actually very clear as well as the vocals are very clear on this HomePod mini. I really loved using this HomePod mini and my experience of using it, it's pretty good. So guys, talking about how's the bass on this HomePod mini. So the bass is very good. You will not feel any kind of distortion in bass or vocals. Even at the lower volumes, the bass was actually pretty nice. You can easily feel the bass even at the lower volumes, even at the higher volumes. So in regarding bass, I didn't face any problem. Also guys, I would like to thank Smart Mobile Store for providing me with this HomePod mini for this video. If you have any particular questions, do leave in the comment section. I will try to answer all the questions that you have about this product. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like the video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.